Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn some vocabulary words which you can use in your day-to-day speaking. Let's start. Before proceeding further, make sure you hit the like button and for more such informative videos, press the subscribe button. The first one is mimic. The meaning of the word mimic is to imitate or to copy. For example, she could mimic all the teacher's accent. Mimicking is a bad habit. Here is an activity for you. Pause the video and frame one sentence on the word mimic in the comment section. The next word on our list is the word rapid. The meaning of the word rapid is happening in a short time, quickly or at a greater rate. For example, the patient has made a rapid recovery, means quick recovery. The next example is India has made a rapid progress in agriculture industry. Agriculture industry means the food grain industry. Pause the video here and again write or frame a sentence in the comment section. Let's proceed to the next one. The next one is quench. The meaning of the word quench is to satisfy one's thirst. For example, the fruity lemonade will quench your thirst. That also means that it would satisfy your thirst. Let's go on to the next one. The next one is the word rescue. Rescue means save someone from a dangerous or a difficult situation. Example, the firefighter rescued the little girl. That means the firefighter saved the little girl. Again, you know the drill. Pause the video over here and frame the sentence in the comment box. The last word on the list is the word outing. The meaning of the word outing is a trip taken for a pleasure, especially when it is lasting for one day or less. Let's see an example. Let's go for an outing tomorrow. I hope you all enjoyed the video and have done the assignment of framing the 5 sentences in the comment section. Make sure you hit the like, share and subscribe button. See you all in the next video.